Hi students, welcome to today class. In this class, we discuss about chemical properties of heterocyclic compounds. In the previous class, we discussed about what are the heterocyclic compounds and what are the physical and aromatic character of the heterocyclic compounds, and the synthesis of heterocyclic compounds are discussed. In this class, we discuss about the chemical properties of heterocyclic compounds, particularly the 5-membered ring heterocyclic compounds, chemical properties of 5-membered ring heterocyclic compounds. Generally, these heterocyclic compounds involved in the electrophilic substitution reactions, reactions, because of the property, that is aromatic character of these heterocyclic compounds. These are involved in the electrophilic substitution reactions. It is very important here, even though these heterocyclic compounds having the unsaturation, that means two double bonds, these compounds does not involved in the addition reactions. These compounds seems like to be unsaturated compounds, but these are not involved in the addition reactions, even though it having the double bond, because of these double bonds are not true double bonds. These are the aromatic bonds. That means these double bonds are involved in the aromatic conjugation, so that these are not the original double bond. So that heterocyclic compounds does not involve in the any addition reactions. It has the resonance energy. These compounds have the resonance energy. So these are like as alkanes, stable compounds. So these are not involved in the addition reactions. The second point, these are the preferably involved in the electrophilic substitution reactions. Because of this structure, you observe that these are the planar structure, and above the plane and below the plane there is the electron density. That is, the pi electron cloud is placed in the above and below the plane of these heterocyclic rings, so that around this heterocyclic above and below there is electron density, that is the negative charge is located, so that generally these compounds are attract the electrophiles. So these compounds are involved in the electrophilic substitution reactions. Okay, let's come to the point here. Electrophilic substitution reactions are takes place at two different positions, because of heterocyclic compounds having the four positions. This is the first position, this is second, third, fourth, fifth position. The 5-membered ring having the 4 carbon atoms, 1 heteroatom. Among that, there are 4 different positions are available for the electrophilic substitution reactions. Here, the second position and fifth position are similar, and third position and fourth positions are similar. Okay, here you can divide it into the electrophilic substitution reactions, or maybe takes place at either 2 or 5 or 3 or 4. That means these 2 and 5 positions are called alpha positions, and third and fourth positions are called beta positions. If you let consider the substitution reactions takes place at alpha position, that means second position and fifth position, then we can observe the mechanism, resonance structures. Here the Z is the heteroatom, it may be nitrogen, furan, oxygen or sulfur, any atom. When the electrophile approach to the heterocyclic compound, and then if the electrophile is substituted at alpha position, that is second position, then the electrons, the double bonded electrons are shifted like that, then positive charge created here. Then this resonance structure, this structure is involved in the resonance structure. These pi electrons are transferred to like that, and there is a double bond is formed here, positive charge here there. Then the lone pair of electrons on the heteroatom are coming to this bond, and double bond is formed. Again this is repeated, totally the positive resonant hybrid structure like that. After that, here hydrogen is replaced as a H plus ion, and it gives the electrophile substituted product finally. Here you can observe the three resonance structures. 1, 2, 3. Three resonance structures are arranged when the substitution takes place at alpha position. While in case of substitution takes place at beta position, that is third position to the heteroatom and fourth position, then that is called beta position. Here for the substitution of the electrophile at third position, the electron must transfer like that. The lone pair of electrons on the heteroatom comes to the adjacent bond and the positive heteroatom gets the positive charge, and then the neighboring double bond involves with conjugation with this positive charge, it gives the positive charge here. Then here this is the two resonance structures are hybrid in like that, and then finally hydrogen is removed.